Are you eating some cereal? Hmm? Are you gonna eat it or spit it out? What do you think of that? Hi. Are you gonna hold the spoon? Okay. What are you doing? Hi. Hey. Come here. Look at me. Are you eating cereal? What'd you think of that? Let's see. You were making a big mess. Is it good? Yeah? Here's some more. Is that good? Mmm. Yum, yum. Takes you 4 tries just to eat 1 spoonful. That's good stuff. You just want to chew on the spoon. Yeah. There it goes. How's that? Hey, psst, psst. Hey, is that good? What are you looking at? You looking at Aunt Caitlin?